How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a forearm workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the exercise I have chosen today is going to be twists. I think last time we did 10 reps, 15 reps. We'll do 20 reps today. So yeah, twists, great exercise. I love doing these. It'll only be a 5-minute video, but we will only take 30-second rest periods. So let's get started right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Whew! These really do, like, I know there's no weight to them, but these really do make your forearms like burn. If you think 20 doesn't make them burn, try doing 40. That's right. But yeah, I don't recommend that. I recommend only doing 20 because we're gonna be doing a few sets, probably 4 or 5 sets before the video is done. So I would advise against doing 40 reps. Do 20 reps, and yeah, your forearms are gonna be destroyed by the time this workout is done. Another 5 seconds, and we will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! They're burning. My forearms are burning, you guys. Love doing this exercise, you guys. This one really, really good in my opinion. I like doing it. Well, another 15 seconds, then we will do it again. So that's 40 reps already, 2 sets of 20. This will be our 3rd set. And the video will be halfway done, and my arms are getting pretty sore. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow. Another 30 seconds, then we'll do it again, you guys. I like this. I like doing forearm workouts. I do quite a bit of exercise tutorials on my channel. Just looking at the videos that I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do 10 out of my 11 topics that I cover are exercise tutorials. So yeah, doing a lot of repetitions. Let's do another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo! Damn, that's 4 sets, 20 reps, 80 total repetitions. We're gonna do 1 more set and then we are done, you guys. It'll be 100 repetitions in 5 minutes. That's pretty good, you guys. My forearms are killing me. Okay, 5 more seconds, then we'll do another 20 and then we're done. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, it's starting to burn now. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Wow. Okay, 100 repetitions. Great workout. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. Thank you.